Hi guys, my name is Maria and today we'll discuss some trading situations and of course I would like to ask you to push these fingers under the video. Well, we'll talk about the trading situation. I didn't prepare anything special, just intra the working day, and I would like to share some ideas that I think are interesting and important for you to know, because there are a lot of questions about Great Britain pound, there are a lot of questions about the euro, about indexes and gold, of course. So let's take it all in one video, and I hope it will help you. Well, let's go. Now we start with the Great Britain pound. That's something that I discussed with my Trading Club and Trading Club Pro last days, and with my YouTube subscribers in Russian area. So for Great Britain pound, here is an opportunity to go up to 1.2660 or 1.2650 only if it breaks 125.30. So you have to pay attention to this area, and only if they break it, after that you may buy up to 126.40 and 126.60, this area. What I would like you to pay attention to is this tendency line that takes beginning from March 19th, this tendency line. And we saw the market broke this tendency line, after that retest, and now actually it might stay in a little range and after that go down. So this is not a signal to go up really strong right now, but if they break this 125.30 area, after that it's okay to go up. So I don't buy yet. I do see this broken tendency and I do see this retest, but I will be more positive in a position if they break this area. After that I will enter market. I would like to remind you about my Trading Club and Trading Club Pro, guys. Don't forget that I have these trading clubs, and you can subscribe to Trading Club for $5 a month, and you get twice a week a video research with the different currency pairs that I give you a technical situation for all instruments that I think are interesting. And of course, for those $5 a month, you get some free videos about stop losses and so on that are in my educational platform. Okay, so about the Great Britain pound, I hope this is understandable for you and this will help. Now we go to euro, because this is also interesting, and what I go through is negotiation between myself and myself to buy euro or not to buy euro. Of course, I pay attention to American index dollar dynamic, and it doesn't show me a perfect idea to buy or to sell. That is something that also I discussed yesterday with my traders, that there is no good signal for me to buy or to sell American dollar right now on 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart, and there is no good idea to keep it for a month or for 2 months. So I would like you to be aware of a situation to buy and hold euro or to sell and hold. This is a moment to trade intraday and to fix your trades intraday as well. First of all, please remember that you have news as a trading trigger. When you have those news, for example, some statistical information, this is a moment to get good volatility. If you don't have this this help to get news from Eurozone or from America, so there is no good volatility for today. That's actually something that I do think about the euro dollar for today. There is no good moment to go up or to go down because of lack of news. We had some news from Germany, and these were IFO index of the business climate in Germany. It is a good index, and well, I'm not sure that this is a good push, and this is a good sure idea to wait that euro will be really strong based only on this statistical information. That is why I'm not pushing you to buy and hold or to sell and hold. Those candles with shadows on the bottom side, of course, help us to understand that here is an opportunity for market to go up. But when do we buy euro if we decide to go up? You please draw this tendency line from yesterday, from June 23, and you draw this tendency line after they break it. So please, you're welcome to buy and hold up to 114, okay? If they don't break it, do not touch this currency pair today. Okay, now we go to gold, and this is also something that's interesting. Well, about gold, here is some level 1778 that was the maximum price for today. Well, here is some indicator that I use, and it showed me this maximum price as a target for today on 4-hour chart. But if we are talking about the long-term idea, I don't close my positions yet. Long-term idea goes to 1850, 1900, and so on. But if you trade intraday, of course, here is an opportunity for market to stop here and to give you a correction. What kind of correction are we waiting for? Of course, we will draw this tendency line, but this tendency line is really far from current price, so it doesn't help us. So we take this dot, we draw one more tendency line, and we get this tendency line a little bit closer to current price, but still it's not help. And we make one more tendency line. Okay, this is really close to current price. What it gives me to understand about the market, when they touch this tendency line, this will be a moment for price to go up again. If they break this tendency line, so intraday we should close our long positions for gold and wait for correction to second tendency line. Okay, from here, if they stop here near the second tendency line, it is a moment to wait for market to go up again. And if they break this tendency line, this will be a moment for market to give us a correction even down to 1745. This is not a forecast. This is a possibility for you to understand what I look at market like and what I am waiting for about it. So I have these tendency lines, and either other way I wait for market to give me a moment to buy from here, or they break it and this will be a moment for a longer correction, and after that a moment to buy, or they break it and so I wait for more correction. So yeah, that's what it looks like for gold. Also about the silver, guys. About silver, I'm waiting for market to break the $18 area, and after that I'll be ready to open long positions and wait for like 18.30, 18.40, and maybe if they give me a good break and good way up, I will be okay to hold it up to $21 for silver, but not yet, not right now. I go through charts on different time frames, and I'm not ready to buy and hold yet. Only if I buy, hold, and forget about it, and I wait for it, like, I don't know, maybe day, maybe months, maybe 2 months, but just hold and wait. I don't like to leave my money like that. That is why I will wait for market to give me a break of 18 area, and after that enter to 18.30, and after they break 18.30, so I'm okay to go upper to 21. Okay, so and about indexes, I'll be really short, well, because there is no good signal for any of them. And in my weekly video for my traders club that you can join for $5 a week, or a month, I'm sorry. So yes, in my trading club, here is a video that I made for you on Sunday, and I told you that I don't trade it now, so it is honest. And why? Because there is no good reason for us to enter long positions or short positions. Everyone is waiting for market to give us a good strong correction. I can't tell you that I do wait for this correction. I am waiting for a signal, any signal, either to sell or to buy. But when I had an idea to sell here, check my videos on YouTube channel in January, in February, check it here. All those targets, you can check it, it's online. So yeah, when I had ideas, I told you about them. When I had ideas to buy it, Nikkei, I told you about it. When I have ideas, even in May, I also told you, like, here is an idea to go up, but I'm not sure that it will go up right now, but here is a gap that I'm waiting for to be closed, and after that they might go for a correction and so on. So all those ideas are online, you can check it, they're open. But I publish idea when I have an idea. For now, for indexes, for Nikkei, for S&P 500 and so on, there are no good ideas. Everyone asks me, like, when can I enter Apple one more time? When can I buy Netflix again? When can I... Guys, the best idea to buy anything is after correction, after they give you correction, so you enter market and you go up. Now, there are a lot of the traders and investors in Russia that don't really like bank area, bank sector in Russia, but it goes up. It goes up with the good news, and I do trade when they give me a signal, no matter what kind of instrument this is. And there is no, well, for example, no, they have like Tinkoff Bank, and it goes really up, and it's okay. But For Nikkei right now, I don't have ideas. For S&P 500, I don't touch it. For Nasdaq, I do believe that it will go up. For Nasdaq, yes, I do believe, and they will go like to 11,000. That's my idea. But there is now not something that I'm ready to discuss with you right now. Maybe after they close this day, I will have some trading ideas, and I will share it with my trading club, of course. So yeah, this is my idea about the indexes. They don't have a really good signal right now. That is why I don't discuss it. When I do get a clue, when I do understand what's going on, I do give you this idea, like after this area you go up, after this area you go down, and you hold to up to this area. So yeah, thank you very much for your attention. Please subscribe to my channel and push these fingers under the video. Join my Telegram channel, join my Traders Club Pro, Traders Club. All information you can find via link under this video. And of course, stay with me, be signed up, and push this bell so you don't miss my next video. Thank you very much, guys. See you later. I wish you profits, like a lot of profits, a lot. See you later. Bye-bye.